I did. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to kind of part 2 of the $1 a day CBD subscription box unboxing review type of video. If you guys are new here, my name is Jessie May, and we upload makeup unboxings and lifestyle videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you don't miss any of our future uploads. As well as, if you're enjoying this video, or if you just like CBD, give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out tremendously. Thank you so much to $1 a day CBD subscription for partnering with me and helping bring, CBD to you guys, because without them or you guys, we wouldn't be here. So I do have a little code for you that can save you guys some money. It is Jessie May, or you can use the link down in the description box. It's just the www.cbdsubscription.com/Jessie May. It will save you 25% off your first month. Not an affiliate link, okay? No pressure to use it or anything. It just literally saves you some money. First one was kind of like literally just a first impression. I didn't know too much about the company. I haven't tried any of the products, that was like a first try on, it was literally a first impression. But I've been using these products for a few weeks now, and I do absolutely 100% love them. I do want to explain a little bit more what the $1 a day CBD subscription box is, because it's not necessarily like a subscription box. What it is it's a CBD box subscription. There is a difference. Because what this is like you go on their site and you can kind of curate your own subscription box, essentially, because it is $1 a day, so the minimum would be, a $30 subscription. And that would just be, you get to choose your favorite product. In my case, I would choose probably the drops. The drops are my favorite because they're just the most effective for me. So if I were to choose this for my subscription, this would cost me $30 a month. And then it would just come every single month. If I wanted 2 products, you get 30 plus 30, so that would be $60 a month. But they are full-size products, and honestly, that is a great value, $30 for a CBD product. And it works. Like, they're good. I did mention in my the other video that they will post their lab results. So if you want to know in detail what exactly is in this, you can go on their website, go to their public lab reports, and check that out yourself. What makes them a great company is that they're trying to give you the most beneficial CBD, something that's actually going to benefit you and do something, and it's not just like a gimmicky product that just looks cute and everything. They are really trying to give you their best product. At cbdsubscription.com, because that's their website, they only offer their signature brand, which is this guy right here. I mean, that's all what these ones are. As well as well-known and vetted award-winning products. That's a tongue twister. There's a couple things that are tongue twisters for me, so let's not go there. Also, with the $1 a day CBD subscription, they have a fabulous reward program. So for every $1 that you spend, you do get a point. For every 25 points, you get $1 off. Or you can use those points towards their rewards room. Or you can get some shirts, hats, hoodies. Ooh, I need a hoodie. So if I get points, I'm getting a hoodie. I want that one with the little white logo. Honestly, like I did say, $30 for each of these products is a great value because CBD really can be expensive. That's why CBD created a way for people like you to get high quality CBD at a low affordable price. Because not everybody can afford to go get a bottle of gummies that cost $120, because I sure can't. And if you think YouTube's paying me, so let's start with my favorite thing that they did send me. They did send me, you could check it, if you haven't already, the unboxing. The CBD oils is probably honestly my favorite, and as I mentioned earlier, they're just more effective for me. I did 100% love the gummies. The gummies taste phenomenal. They're delicious. I just want to eat them all. The only issue with them is and this is just literally personal, because I have a high tolerance for things, but each gummy is only 10 milligrams of CBD, which is not that much. when one dropper is 50, so I need to eat 5 gummies here. You know what I mean? Like I said, and that's just personal me just being nitpicky, and I don't know, give me a gummy that's 20 each at least. Personally, this freeze stuff I have not been using. Kevin has been using, because if you... Some of you may know, some of you may not know, but Kevin basically nearly severed his arm. Multiple surgeries later, he's got to go in for another one. He's got a lot of pain. He's got a huge plate in his arm. It's literally like that. A hinge that, you know, you would use for like a trailer hitch. You know, the thing that the lock is on the ball. Anyway, he's got that in his elbow. But he's been using this like religiously, and he's kind of mad that he couldn't take it with him because I needed to do this video. He swears by this. Loves it. 100% up and down. It's 10 times better than your Icy Hot, because one, it doesn't get hot. It's just a cooling thing. And if you know anything about like pain relief and medical, hot pads, they're good, they work well, they're just not the best for you because it's putting hot on your skin and you're burning. I'm not a doctor, I'm not anything, that's just what I've been told. Regardless, this doesn't have that super menthol smell that the Icy Hot or even BioFreeze does. BioFreeze, I do like BioFreeze. I probably should just be comparing this to BioFreeze because BioFreeze does not get hot. Anyway, great recommendation. If you have like sore muscles, major surgery, no open wounds or anything, don't do that. That might just burn. But absolutely love this. Lavender lotion makes my hands super, super soft. As for the CBD part in it, I cannot speak too much on that because in this whole entire thing, it's 300 milligrams. And so if depending on how much you use, you're only going to get a tiny bit. Again, that's kind of like a personal preference. Maybe I'm not using this just as enough, but it does say to apply to the entire body as often as needed throughout the day to nourish the skin. I've just been kind of using it on my hands. Oh, you could use this as a facial moisturizer. That's dope. As a lotion, it's great. This this is my least favorite in there, but glad to have tried it. Glad it was in my little gift bag because it's not a subscription box. Again, it's not. They are creating a more affordable way for you to get your CBD. That's either a brand that they trust 100% because they created it, and like I said, the lab reports are out there, you can go check it out, or very well-known award-winning CBD company brands. CBDsubscription.com is different from any of your other CBD subscription boxes because they let you kind of curate your own subscription. You know, you can go in and get, geez, Jess, you can get all 4 of these, choosing them, you know, or whatever 4 products that you really want for your subscription. And you'll know that you'll get that each month. So it's not like a surprise or anything, which I kind of like the surprise aspect, but I also do like knowing that I'm getting product that I will actually use and like. So it's a win-win for me. I really do enjoy this. I'm probably going to pick up some more of these drops because they're almost gone. Anyway.
Right now you could save 44% on their ultimate subscription bundle pack, and if you use my code JessieMay, you'll save an additional 25% off your first order.
I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you got any useful information or any tips, or you just enjoyed it and you like CBD, give the video a thumbs up. Also probably because it's not going to be monetized, so anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Thank you so much again to $1 a day CBD subscription box for partnering with me on this video, and thank you so much to you guys for just being here, because without you, the CBD subscription and we would not be here doing this video with you and I. You and I? Is that correct? Anyway, I love you guys. I already said that. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to binge watch some other content, or you missed the unboxing first impression of the CBD subscription box, go ahead and click one of these links right here. Love you guys. Bye!